Hello everyone, my name is Mr. M. Today, we are going to learn how to identify the center and the radius of a circle given its equation. Now, this is the second part of the series on circles, so I strongly suggest that you check the first video so that you would understand what the circle or what the keyword is. Alright, let's go straight to the key concept. Our key concept is the center radius form or formula of a circle. This is also known as a standard form. And what is that, a standard form or center radius form? It's the square of the binomial x minus h plus the square of the binomial y minus k equals r squared, where the parentheses or the coordinates h comma k is the center and r is the radius of the circle. This is the symbol for circle. Now, take note. So inside the binomial, you have a variable x and h. But this, in reality, when you go to the model problem, you will see it. The h is a constant and the k is a constant as well. So let's take note of that. Right there. So remember, the h and the k are constants. Now you need to put them together as coordinates of the center. Clear? Now let's go to the model problem so that you would understand that better. It says the equation of a circle is the square of the binomial x minus 2 plus the square of the binomial y minus 4 equals 5 squared. Identify the center and the radius of the circle. Now, I rewrote the problem here so that we can annotate. Now, going back to the standard form or center radius form, notice that it says here minus h, but when it becomes a coordinate of the center, it becomes a positive h. What does it mean? You just simply change the sign or take the opposite sign. So this is minus 2. It becomes positive 2. So the constant becomes positive 2. Similarly, if you have negative k, it becomes positive k there. So this negative 4 becomes positive 4. Now put them together inside the parentheses. The coordinates of the center then is positive 2, comma positive 4. How about the radius? It says here equals 5 squared. Take a look here on the standard form, r squared. So they are on the same form. That means we just simply take this 5 as the radius, or 5 units. If you want to write down units, that's even better. As we all know, practice is the secret of math. So go ahead and try to find the center and the radius of the circle represented by this equation. But make sure you pause your video while you're doing it. Once you're done, continue watching so that you can check your answer. Okay, let's do this together so that you can check your work. So we're given the equation of the circle, the square of the binomial x plus 7 plus the square of the binomial y minus 3 equals 16. Now, I rewrote it so that we can take note, we can annotate. So, again, the rule says we need to take the opposite sign of the constant inside the parentheses. So, positive 7 becomes negative 7. Negative 3, take the opposite, is positive 3. Now put them together. They are the coordinates of the center. Negative 7, comma, positive 3. Now the challenging part is this, or should I say interesting part. So it says 16. And according to the center radius form, it should be r squared, or a number raised to the second power. So what number do you square to get 16? Or should I say, what number do you multiply by itself to get 16? And that is 4. Let's check. 4 times 4, or 4 squared, is 16. Clear? So the radius of the circle represented by this equation must be that base, which is 4 or 4 units. I hope you got this answer correct. If you do, that means you're good to go to the next lesson. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Be sure to click the links below for additional resources and worksheets so that you can practice more. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Please take care of yourself and others.